Welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to turn off call vibration on Telegram. If you're tired of your phone buzzing every time someone calls you on Telegram, this simple setting will help you take control and keep things quieter. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this will either be the three horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile icon. Tap on it to open the main menu. From there, go ahead and select Settings. This is where Telegram stores all the customization options for your account. Inside Settings, find and tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls everything related to alerts, tones, and vibrations within the app. Now scroll down until you see the Call section. Under this section, tap on Vibrate. This is the setting that controls whether your phone vibrates when you receive a Telegram call. Once you tap on Vibrate, you'll see a few different options. To completely turn off call vibration, simply select Disabled. That's it. From now on, your phone will no longer vibrate when you receive Telegram calls. This can be especially useful if you want fewer distractions or if you're in a quiet environment where vibrations can still be noticeable. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back to the same setting and enable vibration again with just a tap. That's how easy it is to turn off call vibration on Telegram. Quick, simple, and effective. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips and tricks to customize your app exactly the way you like it.